Welcome to Saas Bahu and Auntie Eve.
This is a podcast for every girl who's thinking of getting married.
And every woman जिसकी शादी हो चुकी है and needs a place to vent, खुलेआम and unfiltered.
I'm 26 years old and getting married this year. So, of course, I have thoughts on everything Shadi related.
And I'm 40 years old. I've been married 11 years. And trust me, I have answers to all of your questions.
Today's episode is something that really irritates me, okay?
Ooh.
Because this is something that I've seen on multiple weddings, like so many weddings, that now it irks me. The etiquette of the guests bringing gifts. I feel like, ठीक है, हम Western culture में नहीं है, and we don't have like a pre-list that they make. What is it called?
Registry, wedding registry.
A wedding registry. Of course,
Yeah.
we don't have a wedding registry. But that does not mean कि आप सब के सब वही दिवाली वाले कंबल उठा के ले आओगे जो आपको I don't know from how many people you get the same comforters, you know, it's the same. It's not even like something exquisite or different. You'll notice it's always those comforters,
I
those
know.
home center or those comforters. It's always that. Why? How many kambals do you think the bride and groom will use right after the wedding? So why do
Oh my
you all have to bring the same thing?
Yeah, you have a very good point.
Yeah.
It's true. But you know, when I got married,
Yeah.
I got maybe 3 or 4 kambals. I
Yeah.
didn't get too many kambals. But I would have appreciated kambals over what I got actually.
What did you get?
Imagine it's worse than kambals. I got the most random decor pieces you can think
Yeah.
of. Like not even stuff that you can use and display. One was a very random baby angel sitting on
Oh my
some sort of
God.
like elaborate pond. It was very weird, and I just thought that who would even want to give this who would keep this as a decor piece also? I can't even re-gift it because then I'll get judged.
Yeah.
Why am I
Yeah,
gifting
so many
something
of
like
these
that?
gifts are such that you can't even re-gift them. They're just kept in one whole room of yours.
Yeah.
And I feel like I have seen so many brides and grooms, you know, being excited after the wedding
Yeah.
to open gifts. And socho, ये baby angel निकले.
सोचो
इतनी excitement के
वो
बाद.
फ्रेंड्स का एपिसोड याद है आफ्टर द वेडिंग
Yeah,
when Monica can't
Monica's
wait to open the
gifts,
gifts and all
yes.
of that. I was so looking forward to that, and when I started taking out random baby angel after baby angel, it was
Yeah.
just so disappointing.
Baby angel or like a fish.
Yeah, that dolphin coming out like
coming
this.
out like this.
Yeah.
It's so weird that now we're sharing this, and you've been married like 10 years and before.
11.
11. And
Yeah.
you know, we have the same. So basically, the gifting culture in India has not changed.
Not at all. Not at all.
I get where people come from, okay? Wedding registries in the West happens because, of course, the bride and the groom, they form their own house.
Yeah.
So most of those times, they need the entire घर
Yeah.
का सामान, and
Yeah.
it's effective, you know, it helps them out. In India, of course, that's not the case. घर बना हुआ मिलता ही है most cases में. बड़े कम लोग होते हैं जो actively decide करते हैं both of us will now start living separately and we'll find a new house, and they
Yeah.
have that whole structure. But इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि उनके एग्जिस्टिंग घर में भी आपने एक्वेरियम और ये सब रखने की जगहें देखी हैं कि आप ये गिफ्ट कर रहे हो. What do you think? What would you have preferred as a bride, as some random gifts or like lifafa? Are you a lifafa
yeah,
person?
lifafa, yes, any
Yes,
day.
Any day. I agree.
Cash upon cash, please.
Please, yeah.
I mean, the only real loss that I have had as a bride is money.
Money, yeah.
I have spent so much money on this wedding. Please reimburse me.
Or so much expense that is coming my way. So just
Yeah.
like prepare me. There
yeah,
you go.
I mean, pay for my makeup artist.
Yeah.
अगर इतने ही पैसे हैं कि आप
I loved that thing that you told me in one of our previous episodes where you said that, you know, your friend gifted you the mehendi ka
Yes.
entire like photography, and she did it herself. She
Yeah.
captured all your moments. I think that's such a lovely and like thoughtful gift, right?
Yeah.
You pre-plan these things. You talk to the bride and the groom. Listen.
Yeah.
आई नो देयर इज नो. आजकल जो लोग वो फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए बोलते हैं कोई हेल्प चाहिए होगी तो बताना. ये मत बोलो, पूछो एक्चुअली. लिसन, आई वाज प्लानिंग a gift for you, and I feel like ये तूने अभी तक sort नहीं किया, let me do this for you.
Yeah, exactly.
Let me pay for it.
I mean, not everybody, chalo, has the skill to do something like
Not
that.
skill, even if it's the budget. Like, let's
Yeah.
say if 5 of my friends want to pay for something and they're thinking kya दें, and they know this
Yeah.
is falling in their budget of the things that I'm supposed to buy, they can just offer, right? Ki listen, this is something
Exactly.
that we know you're anyway getting, let us buy.
Yeah.
Let us just pay the money for it. It's such a mental load off of me,
For sure.
and like
For
it helps
sure.
a lot, I think.
Yeah, absolutely. Like there on one side I had this friend who,
Yeah.
you know, gave me such a beautiful gift that I still look at, you know, that I still
Yeah.
remember, and it's such a valuable part of my wedding, of all of my memories. Like my relatives still talk about what a
Yeah.
lovely job she did. And because it wasn't just me that she was putting at ease, she was putting my entire family at ease.
Yeah.
Like they all knew her, you know, she knew them. She knew, I didn't have to tell her who is important, who's not important. She
Yeah.
knew everybody who's there. It's a small event. She knew everyone was important. She knew exactly what everyone's relationship to me was. So she captured the entire event in that way. And if I show you my mehndi pictures, you'll be able to tell exactly what happened on the day.
Yeah,
because
like
she
a
is
journey.
Yeah, like it's
Yeah.
just, she's captured it in that sense. And she also actually, as the photographer, had the foresight to just plan a little bit of placement in the sense that where I should be sitting. So because there was no wedding planner
Or anything.
or a professional vendor doing this, you know, just like it's not in the purview of their services. She was just taking over wherever she thought she could. So she just,
Yeah.
you know, said, ki, you know what, from a like photography point of view, let her sit here. She was planning all this with my sister. Ki, let her sit here so everybody can be around her. You know, the food is there, the bar is here, and everybody will be just sort of around this
Yeah.
area. So let her sit in the middle somewhere, but not exactly in the middle. There's a backdrop and everything. So all of that was done with the two of them. They just like sort of figured it out.
Yeah.
So that was one
That
thing.
sounds lovely, yeah.
On one end, I had this. On the other end, I had friends who had again known us as a couple for years. We had been dating for 5 years before we got married.
Yeah.
They had known us for the entirety of that time, you know.
Yeah.
And they ended up giving us stuff like decanters. Decanters in a house where they knew that I would be living with my in-laws at the time. There was no bar to speak of.
Wow.
They didn't have like
Thoughtful.
a culture. Yeah, so thoughtful.
Yeah.
I was like, what am I
Maybe
supposed
they were
to do?
trying to introduce alcohol into your house, you know. They were saying, dekho,
Yeah,
karo.
I guess.
To your, I'm assuming 55-year-old
वो ही
in-laws.
करना है तो yeah, exactly.
They were trying to teach something
60
maybe.
plus.
60 plus.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So देखो अब अगर वो ही करना है तो give me good alcohol.
Yeah.
Don't give me a decanter.
Decanter. Alcohol लाना ज्यादा जरूरी है. Bottle उसकी लानी जरूरी नहीं है.
हाँ, bottle उसकी like good alcohol will have a sundar bottle.
Yeah.
I don't need a decanter for
Yeah.
it. But yeah, like stuff like that. And
Okay, so tell me, if I had to ask you as a, let's say, if you were a 2025 bride,
हाँ.
and let's leave thoughtful gifts aside, like your friend did. Let's leave cash aside. If you were a bride of 2025, who was, of course, working woman, who's managing, of course, a lot of expenses on her own also, I'm pretty sure. As that bride, what would you want? I wouldn't say all the wedding guests
Yeah.
will get good gifts, but let's say the closest of your people, what would you expect?
I mean, from the closest of people also, I don't think we should be discounting cash as an option because it's a very good option.
Yeah, great. No, of
Yeah.
course, वो तो है ही.
Yeah.
वो ही दो तो best है.
Best है.
Because then there's no pressure for you to also think of.
Yeah, exactly.
Cash though is always appreciated.
Always. I also feel that if you really do want to make a really thoughtful effort and give something that you think will be really useful, take the time to understand what her living situation is going to be like.
Yeah, and the process of the whole wedding,
yeah,
I think.
Yeah, of course. And that is if you cannot do anything for the wedding per se, like
Yeah.
if there is nothing that you can offer there, if you do want to give something like household related or something, take
Yeah.
the time to understand her situation.
Yeah.
What does she need? Because mostly, at least from my experience, what I've seen is when you move into your in-laws' place, the first thing you will struggle with is storage. You don't have room for everything.
Yeah.
And they haven't, again, like you said, in most cases, they haven't bought the house thinking कि चलो बहू आएगी तो
तब
उसके लिए
कैसा
ये
होगा?
जगह खाली रखेंगे.
नहीं होता.
नहीं
सारी
होता.
जगह भर जाती है इन घर.
Of course. of course भर जाती है. So storage solutions is one thing.
Yeah,
you
that's a
know?
good gift actually.
It's a very good gift.
Practical, and I feel like to add to that, I think your lehengas these days,
Yeah.
they can't be put into the bed.
Yeah.
Because they have this huge can. I have seen so many brides investing in like there's like this full size wardrobes. They're very easy. They can be put anywhere in your house. I think you get them off Amazon also now.
Yeah, Amazon,
Wherein-
IKEA, everywhere.
Wherein you put all your wedding outfits and like the fuller length outfits in one wardrobe, which is, I thought that's such a space saver and like something to like just keep it away. Like वो
Yeah.
बार बार यूज नहीं होने वाली चीजें और बेड में रख के खराब ही होंगी.
हाँ, exactly. And bed में रखना is also वो उठाओ फिर निकालो and all of that. It's a
yeah,
massive...
storage I think is a very good.
Yeah, I feel like that is something that, you know, every newlywed couple needs.
For sure.
Yeah.
In my opinion, I think if I am right. If I were to expect Delulu, still thinking it's not happening. If I were to think कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, and this is something that I've told my friends also. One of my friends actually offered to get me my makeup because she said that great. You know, she said that you would need makeup.
Yeah.
I know you since ages. I know the brands you use. Let's say I want to up it also. Just tell me basic things. Tell me what shade you use in one foundation. I will chat GPT and figure out everything else.
Yeah.
And I was just like, that's so helpful. She's not even asking me to go to the market and tell me is foundation mein kaun si shade. She's just like, I'm going to figure it out. I know what products you like. I will get you makeup, you know, because I'm outside.
That's also great.
Yeah.
And it's a huge expense.
Huge expense, and that's also very troublesome. आजकल इतने markets में brand हैं, person like me would go downhill and just be like, ये नहीं. Someone taking that off of me, I'm more than happy.
And you'll end up buying the cheaper alternatives
I
because
would.
you will skinch on something.
I would. Personally,
Yeah.
I would.
Yeah.
So I was really happy with that option. A lot of my friends, they asked me what's pending from your trousseau. And most of them were like, because you're so focused on clothes, you don't focus on bags or like accessories. All of my friends somehow have internally discussed, because I said these are the things missing. And they all internally discussed, and now everything is sorted. Like my tote bags are sorted, my accessory bags are sorted, and they've just somehow managed.
Figured it out.
They've made a registry for me.
How
Like
nice.
they've done it. कि ये सब सामान जो extra है, we'll do.
So these are the friends who are keepers.
Yeah, these are keepers.
For sure.
Yeah, but अब मैं wedding guest से तो नहीं कुछ भी.
But I also feel wedding guests, अगर आपको यही ऐसे कुछ random type कुछ करना है तो please just choose cash.
Choose cash. I think this is the only option I think people should pick up with, because आप जो a lot of close relatives of the groom side would give you jewelry also at the first events, right? वो all of that रसोई. I feel like वो भी क्यों करना है? एक तो पहली बात, अब तो jewelry is so expensive. I don't know how people will.
I feel like that works only if you're passing on family heirlooms.
Family heirlooms only.
Not otherwise, not if you've just got something lying around और चलो ये दे देते हैं उसको.
ये छोटे से earrings दे देते हैं. मत दो, आप बल्कि रखो उसको. It's an asset for you also.
Yeah.
Just give cash if you have to.
If you have to, which they do. Which
they do.
It's a lot of like.
ईगो पे भी आ जाती है.
ईगो पे आ जाती है, और ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि बहू पहली बार ही आई है और खाली हाथ चली जाएगी वो. और अगर ज्वेलरी ही देनी है, अगर दैट इज द थिंग इन योर फैमिली, तो चूज समथिंग सिंपल. चूज समथिंग विदाउट अ डिजाइन, लाइक plain kadas.
Yeah, plain kadas, yeah.
You know, which are like universally liked. Which she
yeah.
can wear with anything. Instead of giving some ornate, elaborate design,
Yeah,
जो
I
वो
agree.
सिर्फ शायद एक साड़ी के साथ पहन सके, if at all, if she ever even thinks of wearing it.
In fact, even the jewelry that I got for myself, like the wedding jewelry, all of the bangles that I've gotten are actually reusable as bracelets. So if I wear a watch, I can just wear that. In fact, the in-laws have also planned all my jewelry
Yeah.
accordingly, because
Which is great.
You have to think of the wearability of things, यार. Now that the times are not such, especially in this year and time, कि बस पड़ा हुआ सामान और तुम्हें खुशी मिल रही है. I would rather use it
Exactly.
then keep it in my wardrobe and be like, मेरे पास तो इतने वर्थ का गोल्ड है.
हाँ.
क्या हो रहा है उस गोल्ड का? धूल जम रही है उसके ऊपर, हर साल पॉलिश करवाओ और पहनो भी मत. Bye.
Exactly. It makes no sense. Of course, jewelry has to be the wearable kind now.
Yeah.
On that note, are you getting married soon? Or have you been married for a while and need a place to vent?
DM us on Auntie Eve on Instagram, link in bio.
Send us your stories and we'll figure something out.
We'll see you on the next episode of Saas Bahu and Auntie Eve with the next Kalesh. And remember, don't always be the good girl.
Or the good bahu.